Okay, I just moved the bikes around. Hello Suzuki. Gonna take the KTM today. Boom. Oh, this better start. Oh, come on. Oh, it's so flat. After everything. Come on. No. Will I try and jump it off the car? Here's Jack. Right, finally got it started. Hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, that's better. This is nice and warmed up now, so at least, because you know, I'm probably going to cut out 15 times. Fizzy drink or something, I'm sweating here. Oh, it's so unresponsive compared to the Suzuki. Oh, yeah, spilling petrol everywhere. €28. Continue our spin then. Up there to get some lunch or something. Look at all this standing water, lovely. Trying to keep the rev up. I watched that video. Take a photo of me there. Oh, alright. There's a man there now who makes decisions. Around here actually. If you drive around the barrier, yeah. Yeah, we're going to the same one. Beautiful.
We didn't pay for parking.
Didn't pay.